Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all are you doing well. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, so first please get subscribed and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update for the upcoming videos and tutorials. So let me tell you guys, in all the 30 sessions, we have covered all the basic concepts of Python. If you have not yet watched, please go and watch all the videos and practice. So today we are going to learn about few types of error: syntax error, name error, and value error in Python. So what are they? Let's see. So very first, we are going to learn about syntax error. Example, I will say A is equals to 4 and B is equals to, I'll press enter. Now I have given the value of A, that is 4, and value of B, I have not given any value, right? So if you can see here, after equals to, there is no value, right? What does syntax say? After the variable, you have to assign a value. Left side is your variable, and after the equals to, there is a value which your variable holds, right? But I have not assigned, so my syntax is wrong. The way I am doing is wrong. So that is called as syntax error. Okay. Next is name error. Let me say name is equals to Eric, and I will ask my user to ask my compiler to print it. I'll say name to enter. So now it says name error. Name to is not defined. Why? Because I'm saying name is equals to Eric, and I'm asking my compiler what to print name to. Then my compiler is getting confused. What is name to? I don't understand. I only understand name, right? So it says that name to is not defined because name to we have not defined. Example, if I say now, if I say name to is equals to Eric, and if I print name to, then it will show you the message Eric. Yes, it is correct. So this is called as name error. You have to always check whether the variable names are correct or not. Next is value error. Example, x is equals to int in bracket input. I will say enter a value for x. Okay. And after that, I am asking my user to enter the value of x, and that should be integer. Okay. So integer is any number with or without uh, any number without decimal. It can be positive or it can be negative, right? So it can be positive or it can be negative, right? So this is a integer number. So what I am doing here is I'm asking my user to enter a value. So let's say 4.1. I have asked user to enter an integer value, but I'm entering what? Float value. Value error, right? Can you see a value error? Yes. Why? Because I asked my user to enter a integer input, but I entered float input. That's why it's an error. Okay. But there are two situations in this case. If I say float, FLOAT float, and if I ask my user to enter a value, even though if I enter integer, it will take it. Why? Because in float, I have integer value also. Because if I say 1.2, right? So float consists of integer value also. That's why for float, you can take integer input also and float also. But in integer, there is no float value, right? There is no decimal value. That's why it will show always the value error. So these are three types of error. Not these are only errors in the Python. There are many more. But for now in basics, we are learning these three errors. In future, we'll be learning more types of error. Okay. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned, stay connected for all the upcoming videos and tutorials. Bye bye. Take care.